Hello students, welcome to MDC Learning. Standard is FI BCom, subject is business communication and topic is chapter number 4, that is 4.1 public relation. Now students, every organization, whether profit making or non-profit making, exists and functions as a part of society. It achieves meaning and significance in the context of public opinion. Just as an individual person is not an isolated entity but the member of society in which he lives, so is an organization. The idea of public relation has existed since time uh, im- immemorial, immemorial. But the concept of public relation department is of recent origin. It is a post World War phenomenon. Now, public relation constitute an important management function. It is the vehicle through which the organization attempt to maintain the communication with public. It's very easy. Public relation, the meaning of public relation, the name it says that how you have to maintain relation with public. And this is done in such manner that the organization earn public acceptance and respect. The general aim in case of business organization is of course to promote business, but unlike advertising and other sales promotion activities which are directly concerned with promotion of business, and public relations department conducts its activities in such manner that promotion of business comes as an indirect consequences. Yeah. Now, according to Edward L. Burney, he defines the public relation is the attempt by information, persuasion, and adjustment of engineer public support for an activity, cause, movement, or institution. I mean, Indeed, the activities of public relation department of business organization are directed towards creating a climate for better understanding and better relation with public. This is the main motto, that to understand the public and uh, their requirement, the climate of public, the relation, how you have to maintain relation with public. This is all the main motto in public relation. Now, what are the objective of public relation? Now, there are different objective of public relation. First of all, the objective of public relation must be realistic and specific. It is too wide, but which we cannot realize. But there are certain things which we need to take care of it. Now, what are those objectives? That is everything that is calculated to improve mutual understanding between organization and those whom it comes into contact. Number two, it create an understanding between organization and target audience with the objective of building goodwill and good image. Next one, it takes realistic and specific approach. Right? Next one is to take action to discover and eliminate source of misunderstanding. Means why we are doing public relation, that there shouldn't be any misunderstanding. Next one, to broaden the sphere of influence of organization by appropriate publicity, advertising, exhibition, films, etc., and to improve communication between the public and organization. Now, what are the function of public relation? It plans partnership, volunteers activities, and all that. Number one, that it improves team building also, that it works on team building and employee empowerment to generate employee goodwill. Next, it deals with communicate with legislature and government agency on behalf of organization. Next one, it provide factual and expert information to the news media when seeking publicity or responding to reporters questions in order to gain credibility and establish professional and mutually beneficial working relationship with news gathered and gatekeepers. Next one, it studies the effect of public policies, actions, and legislation on its publics and on behalf of behalf with the government. Next one, that is public relation in politics, may have to stage debates and seminars for government officials. We can say they inform financial analysts and potential investors about the company's finance, which result in increase in the value of the company's stock. And next, last, that it ensured honest and accurate communication during crises such as natural disaster management, work doings, bankruptcies, and product failure.